you're experiencing issues with voice chat in Fortnite, there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Follow these steps to get your voice chat working again. Step 1. Check your audio settings. Navigate to the audio settings in Fortnite. Ensure that voice chat is enabled and that the correct input and output devices are selected. Adjust the volume levels to make sure they are not muted or set too low. Step 2. Update your game. Make sure that Fortnite is updated to the latest version. Developers often release patches that fix bugs, including issues with voice chat. Check for updates in your game launcher and install any available updates. Step 3. Restart your device. Sometimes, simply restarting your gaming device can resolve connectivity issues. Close Fortnite, restart your console or PC, and then launch the game again to see if the voice chat is functioning. Step 4. Check your network connection. A stable internet connection is crucial for voice chat. Test your internet speed and ensure that you have a strong connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, consider switching to a wired connection for better stability. Step 5. Verify game files. If you're playing on a PC, use your game launcher to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them, which may resolve the voice chat issue. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and fix any problems with voice chat in Fortnite. If issues persist, consider reaching out to Epic Games support for further assistance.